have to be always conscious that what is your timetable. So today our subject is maths. In that we are going to see new chapter. Okay, everyone be alert and listen that one. So before we enter into our chapter, we'll do some activity. So please get ready now. Listen carefully. Listen carefully my questions there. Okay, now you have to get ready now. Okay. Shall we go? Okay, you can easily find that. Children, listen. Find equal group of body parts. Now check yourself. What is the equal groups of body parts? That is the external body as. What comes in twos? If you got, I need your answer through your chat box. External parts, equal body parts. That means equal groups of body parts. What comes in twos? Check your body parts. External organs. How many are they? You have to check how many groups are they. One of you given the hand. Very good. Eyes. Very good. 2. Next one. Sudeshni, eyes. I need your body parts, Jayashree. What comes in twos? Nose is 2. 2 legs. Very good, Sudeshni. I got 3. Yeah, one is hands is given. Next is legs. Then eyes, ears. Very good, Suhan. Ears. Then don't go for the internal organs. Only the external organs. Body parts, external, which we can see now. So some of you, I'm asking you, don't go for the internal organs. Yeah, legs. Very good. So most of you given exact one. So what comes in twos? Hands. Check yours. Hands. There are 2. Feet. Feet also 2. Legs. 2. Eyes. How many eyes we are having? 2. Ears. 2. So totally we have, which comes in twos, there are 5 groups are there, isn't it? What are they? Hands, feet, legs, eyes, ears. Okay, now you got the body parts. Now you just tell me how many body parts are there in all together. Can you count and tell me how many body parts are there in all together? Hands 2, hands 2, feet 2. Who's that?
Ma'am, what class, ma'am?
Max ma. Hands 2, feet 2, legs 2, eyes 2, ears 2. Totally, how many body parts are there in all together? 10, Sudeshni. Excellent, excellent. That means 10. So there are 5 groups are there. In that we have 2, 2, 2. So totally 10. Can you guess now what we are going to see today? What is our new chapter? So 5 into 2. You got that? 10. Isn't it? What is a new chapter today? What is a new chapter in maths?
Multiplication.
It is a new chapter. Multiply. Very good. Multiplication. Got it. Sukhan, very good. Multiplication. Today we are going to see our new chapter, multiplication. You did the multiply. By 5 groups are there. You multiply with 2 body parts. You got the answer is 10. So we are going to see the multiplication today. So already know well. So we have to revise only. Just see that one. What is the multiplication? So shall we go now? Yeah, I'll share my link now. So what is our lesson? That means multiplication. In that we are going to See what are the things that we are going to see that one. If you have the notebook, better you have to keep it nearby. Just note it down there. So first, what is the concept of multiplication? What is the concept of multiplication? What are they? So now you said there are 5 groups, that means body parts: legs, then feet, eyes, ears, then hands, isn't it? So there are 5 groups in that. How many body parts? Each two. So we have to go through the based on that only. If you check that one, what you can observe there are 5 biscuits, just like as a 5 body parts. 5 biscuits. In each 5 biscuit, how many chocolate chips are there in each group? Equal chocolate chips are there, isn't it? If you see that one, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus. So can you count and tell me how many chocolate chips are there in all together? How many chocolate chips are there? So if you count 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If you count, so what will be the final one? What is the answer of chocolate chips are there? 15 chocolate chips are in each biscuits, isn't it? Is it a lengthy process? Yes, we are keep on going. 3 plus 3, 6, again 6 plus 3, 9, again 9 plus 3, 12, like this. 12 plus 3, 15. It is a lengthy process. Instead of going by like this, we have to minimize our calculate. How that easy form of doing the calculation? 5 multiply with 3. That means 5 3s are, you know the tables well, no? The end of the session, I'm going to ask each and everyone, tables get ready also. So 5 3s are 15. So now tell me, what is the multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but that is a repeated addition. What is that? That is a repeated addition only, multiplication. Now if you see the first one, 5. What is the 5 there? Number of groups. How many biscuits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. That is the number of groups. What is the 3? What is the sign of multiplication? X sign there. That is the into. We have to call this into. 5 into 3. 3 is the number of objects in each group, in each biscuits. How many chocolate chips in each biscuits? 3 3 3. Like this only, the short form of doing the multiplication, that is addition. 5 multiply with 3, 15. What is the total number of? What is the total number of chocolate chips we got? Now we'll see that one. What is the terms we'll use for the multiplication? Otherwise, how that we have to read the sentence. 5 multiply with 3 is 15. Otherwise, we can say 5 times 3 is 15. This is the sentence form. Let's see that. Read the sentence, how that we have to read the number. 5 times 3 is 15. Otherwise, we can see 5 3s are 15. We used to use that 5 3s are 15, like that only we used to say in tables, isn't it? So that part only we have to read this number. One is the 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Other one is 5 times 3 is 15. The next one is 5 3s are 15. Okay. We'll see the terms what we used to use there. Before that, we have to see the what are the 2 ways how that we have to write the multiplication. Okay, there is one is the horizontal. Horizontal means sleeping line. If you see that one, the first one, 5 multiply with 3, 15. Isn't it the horizontal one? That is in sleeping line now. So that is the one way. Another way we can write that one, where that means the first horizontal multiplication we used to write in the tables. We can see in the tables only. We'll go for the next one. Vertical multiplication. If you check that one, 5, that is in the straight line. Where we have to use that this method, this way, we have to use in doing the sums only. So most probably we have to use the second way only to do the multiplication. That means vertical multiplication only we have to do that one. Just check. Okay. Now what are the terms we used in multiplication? What is the first one? 5. How many groups we have seen that one? How many biscuits are there? 5 biscuits are there. That is the group, numbers of group in that one. Multiplication. What we have to say that number? multiplicand. The first one is the multiplicand. How many chocolate chips in each group? 3. That is the multiplier. So what is the last answer we are getting as a product? So 5 multiply 3, that 15 is the product. I'll give one real life example. Just listen everyone, I need your answers at the end of that my question now. Listen now, we'll see one real life example. Listen carefully. Everyone think about yourself now. While I say you have to think about yourself only, I'm talking about each and everyone there. While enter into your primary, that means while enter into your schooling. Listen now. While enter into your what? Yes, Kana, listen now. While enter into your schooling, that means your primary. Just feel like that. What you are multiplying, what you are developing in your schooling day, the first step in your school, you are multiplying your friend circle. Isn't it the first step that you are multiplying your friend circle? Then you are understanding your capacity and communication skill, everything you are multiplying. But I'm talking about individual one person only. Okay, while go to the primary section. While go to that, similarly, while enter into your standard. So what you can develop, what you can multiply? Your imagination, creative skill, reading skill, writing skill, these things that you can multiply when you enter to your standard. The same way, similarly, while enter to your senior secondary. So what you can multiply, what you can develop there? Your positive attitude with unfamiliar people, situations, then extracurricular activities. Like that, your talent will be keep on multiplied, isn't it? But the person is only one. You are only keep on multiplying your talent, isn't it? Now, end of your school, will come out from the school. You can come out as outstanding performer if you develop, if you multiply your talent, your career, your skills, everything. If you multiply, end of your schooling, you can come out as an outstanding performer. Now, got that one? Got that? What I said now? Now I'm going to ask, you have to apply these terms in your, what you learned now, that seems. Now tell me, what is the multiplicand, what I said now? As soon as you enter your school, you are learning. First, you are multiply your friend circle and understanding capacity, speaking skill, listening skill. Then like this, you keep on multiplying. Now tell me, what is the multiplicand there? Shall I ask anyone? Shall I ask Sarvesh? Sarvesh, can you unmute and give the answer? Say, what is the multiplicand? I've given one real life example. Who's multiplicand there? Sarveshwar or Sabarish?
Friends.
What you, no, I'm asking you to think about yourself, the first one. What is the multiplicand there? You are multiplying your friend circle. Who's multiplicand there? Who's multiplicand?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I'm asking again, I'm saying you are the only one person, you are only increasing all your talent. Got it? All you're multiplying. You are the only one person, you are multiplying everything. So what is the multiplicand there? Who's the multiplicand there? Who's the multiplicand?
Ma'am. School, ma'am.
School is multiplicand. You are only increasing your skills, everything. You know, you are only one person. So you are the multiplicand. You are the only person multiplicand. What is the multiplier there? Sudeshni, what is the multiplier there?
Friends.
Very good. Friends. Okay, friend circle you are multiplying. Then your skills you are multiplying. Then your reading skill, listening skill, everything that you are multiplying. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Reading skill.
So everything that you are, your reading skill, everything that you are multiplying, but multiplicand only one person. But you are developing your skills. Isn't it? So it is keep on multiplying. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sudeshni. Thank you, Sudeshni.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Sabarish. Okay, Sabarish. Sabarish, are you there? Sabarish. Sabarish. Pragati, D section Pragati. 3 is there. 3. Are you there? Okay, now tell me, who knows that? What is the product of that one? What is the product? I given the real life example. What is the product? What you got at last? So at last, to become as an outstanding performer, excellent one. So that is the product.
Standard.
Who's that? Is, so that is the product. What is the multiplicand in the real life example? You. You. Yeah, outstanding performer. Very good. So what is that real? Yes, ma? So listen now.
Outstanding.
So in real life example, we can learn. Yes, Kanaria. Very good. Very good. So what is that? Real life example, what we are learning? Multiplicand that you are. So what you are multiplying, your talent you are multiplying. So what will be the product at last you are getting? Outstanding performer. By this one that we have to multiply our talent. But this is the way that we have to implement in the numbers also. Shall we see that now? Okay, go for that. Okay. Now we are going to see the properties. How many properties are there? So just like as addition and subtraction, we have seen the same only. We are also going to see the properties there. First one is the order property. First one is order property. Second one is zero property. Third one is one property. So what will come if the order property and zero property, when one is multiplied with number, what will be the answer? So we are going to see that one by one. So for that, I'm going to take this flash up. Simply where we can understand that one. You know well, otherwise we will revise that part. So if you see that one, there are number in with more flaws. So what is the first property I said? What is the first property? What is the first property? Order property. If you check that one, the middle row, how many baskets are there? The middle row, there are 4 baskets. Isn't it? 4 baskets. In 4 baskets, each basket, how many flowers are there? 6. So there are 4 baskets. Each basket contains 6 flowers. So now we have to calculate how many flowers are there in altogether. Now tell me, what is the 4 1? 4 is the how many baskets? There are 4 groups of there. 4 baskets. In each basket, how many? Isn't it? 4 6 are 24. This is one order. If you go for the next one, what will come if you change the order? Just see the second row. How many baskets are down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 baskets. In each basket, how many flowers are there? 4 flowers are in each 6 baskets. So how we have to multiply 6? Okay. You see the multiply 4, what will be the result? Answer, product 24. The first one, there are 4 baskets. In 4 baskets, 6 flowers are there. So product also same, only 24. We'll go to the second row. If you check that one, there are 6 baskets, but instead of 6 flowers, there are only 4 flowers in each basket. So what is the product there? 6 fours are 20. If you check that one, if the order, because can you see that multiplicand as well as multiplier both are in, that means in both first row as well as second row, both are same only, but we are changing the order, but the product will be the same, isn't it? If you see that one, the first one, second one, the answer is that is product is the same only. So means if you change the order, that 2 numbers can be multiplied in order and the product will be the same. That is the property number 1. Now go for the property number 2, that is zero property. Okay, if you check that one, how many baskets are there? How many baskets are there? There are 5 baskets, isn't it? But there are no flowers in each. So that is there are 0 flowers in each basket. So how can we multiply? So first you have to take number of groups. How many baskets are there? So there are 5 baskets. There are 5 baskets, but in each 5 baskets, no flowers. That shows no. That means no in the sense 0. 0 flowers in each basket. If you multiply with any number with 0, what will be the product? 0. What will be the product? Will be the product? One more, they've given the second way, horizontal as well as vertical way they've given. So the answer will be the product will be the 0 only. What is the second product? That means property. Property number 2 is this tells us what? When we multiply any number by 1, the product is always the it's when we multiply any number, no, it is always 0. Only 0. The same if you go for the property number 3. Okay. When one product is always the what is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 baskets. In each, how many flowers are there? 1 flower. So 4 baskets. Each basket contains 1 flower in it. So there are 4 baskets and 1 flower in each. So here we multiply the number 4 by 1 and we get the answer. What will get the answer? So there is
Your
number
picture
4
is not clear, it seems. Stella, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now?
Children, kindly maximize your. Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Is it okay? Okay now? You see that one?
Yes,
How many
ma'am.
baskets are there? Yeah, there are 4 baskets. In 4 baskets, 1 flower in each. So the first one, they've given the number of groups. How many groups are there? 4 groups. So multiply with 1 flower. So what will be the product? What will be the product? Yes. 4 multiply with 1. So answer, the product will be the 4. So what is that property number 3? It tells us when we multiply any number by 1, the product is always number itself. If you see that one, number itself, 4 multiply with 1, again we got the 4 only. You see that one? The same way that if you check here, any number multiply with 1, 1 6 are, 1 3 are. So what will the answer? The number itself, 1 6 are 6 only. 1 3 are 3 is 1 is the same only. The product 3 will be applicable for all number. If we multiply with 1, answer is the product is the number itself. Okay, now go for the someone has given the annotation. Someone opened the okay. Okay. Okay now. So there are 2 types of multiplication. What are they? Just like what we have seen already in addition as well as subtraction, the same manner that we are going to do in our multiplication also. So one is what we have seen already in our addition and subtraction. Multiplication without regrouping. Another is multiplication with regrouping. So what is multiplication without regrouping? See the first one, 32 multiply with 3. So what type of that we are doing here? the second way that we are doing as a vertical way that we are doing that sum. So it shows that when we have to multiply with, start with ones digit, 3 twos are 6. Again go for the tens digit now, 3 threes are 9. Are you doing any carry over there? No. So this is a simple multiplication. That means without regrouping or without carry over. So the same way we'll go to the second one. 67 multiply with 3. 3 sevens are 21. So if you check that one, 1 goes to underneath the ones digit, 2 goes to that tens place nearby as a carry over, move to the tens place now. So again if you multiply 3 6 are.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
maximize the sum, ma'am.
Fully have shown. Can you check, ma'am? See that one?
67 alone. Yes, ma'am. Yes, correct. Yes.
Yes. Okay, if you check that one, 3 6 are 18. 8 is on carry over there. So you have to add that number also becomes 20. So total 60 multiplied with the product is 201. The with regrouping means with carry over that we are doing, that is a with regrouping. This is the second type of our multiplication. But now I am going to ask multiplication. Get ready, children. Tables we can revise now. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ready? Shall I ask the
Okay.
questions now? Will you give the answers? Okay, get ready through your chat box. You have to give your answers now. Okay. Okay, listen. What are the terms we used in the multiplication? Sorry, multiplication. What are the terms we used in the multiplication?
Ma'am, now
Okay,
video.
Guru Prasad.
Ma'am,
Children, I am asking the question. Reflection, you have to give the answer through your chat box. Otherwise, if I call your name, you have to unmute and give your answer there. Guru Prasad.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you give
Yes,
the,
ma'am.
what are the 3 terms we used in the multiplication?
First factor, second factor, product.
Okay. Multiplication,
Multiplication,
multiplier,
product.
for product. Very good. Okay, Guru Prasad. Yes,
Multiplication,
ma, Guru Prasad. Can you say the? No. Guru Prasad.
multiplication,
Three tables. Can you restate the 3 table now?
3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 twelves are 36.
Very good. Excellent, Guru. Excellent. Okay, go for the next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vismaya. Vismaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vismaya. Listen to my question now. When we multiply any number by 0, what will the product?
Same
When we
number,
multiply, listen my question. When we multiply any number with 0, what will be the product? Vismaya?
0 only, ma'am.
0. Very good. Very good, Vismaya. Can you give the 4th table now? Can you restate the 4th table?
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20.
4 6 are?
4 6 are 4
24.
24.
4 sevens are
4 sevens are
28.
28.
These are things you
4
have to
eights
learn
are
in your.
32. 4
Very good.
eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 4 elevens are 44. 4 twelves are 48.
Very good, Vismaya. Very good. Now, Sri, get ready. Sri, are you there?
Yes,
Okay, Sudarshini, Sri. Yes, Sri is there.
Yes,
Yes, Sri. Yes, Sri. What is multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
What is multiplication?
Repeated addition.
Very good, Sri. Very good. Okay, Sri, can you give the 5 table? Can you recite it now?
5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 elevens are 55. 5 twelves are 60.
Very good, Sri. Okay, Vaibhav 3D. 3D Vaibhav. Vaibhav. Pragati. Shyam.
Ma'am, Prakati ma'am.
Pragati. Okay, Pragati,
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
question now. Yes, Kana, listen now. Okay, 2 numbers can be multiplied in any order. What will be the product?
Ma'am,
What is the property number 1? Yes, ma'am. What is the multiplication property number 1? Are you getting?
Ma'am, your voice.
What is the property
Stella ma'am,
number 1?
10 more minutes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, tell me, Kana. 2 numbers
Yes,
can be
ma'am.
multiplied in any order. What will be the product? What will be the product? Okay. Vaibhav. Very good, Guru Prasad. Okay, ma, thank you. Who's that? Pragati? Sudarshini Sri. Pragati, can you mute, ma? Sudarshini Sri, can you give your answer then?
Ma'am,
What will be the product? 2 numbers can be multiplied in any order. What will be the product?
answer will be same.
Same. That means you'll get the same product only. If you change the order, also you'll get the same answer. Can you give that your 6 table restate now, Sudarshini Sri?
6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 elevens are 66. 6 twelves are 72.
Very good, Sudarshini. Okay, Mastan. Okay, ma, can you mute now? Mastan. 3D Mastan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mastan. Listen my question now. What are the 2 ways to write the multiplication? 2 ways to write the multiplication.
Horizontal, vertical, ma'am.
Horizontal as well as vertical. Okay, Mastan, can you give the 7th table? Can you recite it now?
7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70.
7 11s are 7 11s are
7.
7 11s are 77. 7 12s are 80. 7 12s are 84. Mastan, you have to get ready with you. Up to 12, you have to recitate. Got it? Okay, ma. Thank you, Mastan. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, Magisha. Magisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Magisha. What is the property number? 3. Third one. If any number multiply with 1. Magisha.
Yes, ma'am.
If any number multiply with 1,
1.
what is the
1.
what is the product?
Same number.
Number itself. Okay. Magisha, can you recitate tables now? 8th table.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80.
8 11s are?
8 elevens are 88.
8 12s are?
92.
8 12s are? Is it 92? Magisha?
92.
96. Ma, is it 92?
96.
96.
Sorry, ma'am.
Very good, Sarveshwar. Very good. Okay. Okay, Kana. Okay. Okay, now. For the next one. Okay, we are going to. Okay, Kana. Okay, just mute now, Magisha. So, what we learned from the multiplication? Children, through your chat box, you have to give now. What is the multiplication?
Okay.
So, really, that is a. Listen, Kana, listen. Multiplication. Michael, can you mute your audio as well as video now? Okay. Multiplication is repeated addition. So you have to multiply. What are the things that you have to multiply in your life? What are the things that you have to multiply in your life? Tell me. Don't bother to your subject, art, chapter, whatever it is. What we have to multiply? Smile.
Performance.
Yeah, very good. What, ma? Outstanding perform. That means all skills that you have to develop. Then performance. So that means you have to do your outstanding performer. You have to. So all things that you have to multiply. Are you doing? Are you doing? Activities you have to multiply. What are the activities that you have to multiply? All extracurricular activities, your talent, everything that you have to multiply. That part only that we are learning through the multiplication. So what multiplication give us? What is the moral of multiplication we are taking? So all extracurricular activities, good things, good attitude, everything that you have to multiply. Will you do that one? Will you obey your parents? That is also kind of your attitude, good attitude. Are you doing? Immediately you have to respond. As soon as if they call, you have to respond. That is also good multiply your attitude. So you have to try to improve through the multiplication. You just carry over in your real life also. Got it? Will you do that one? Yes? Some next class onwards we will see some depends upon here what are the things that we have to do that one. So that is a good chapter. Multiplication is a very good chapter. We have to learn something. Michael, what is that? I ask you to develop your good attitude. Yes. Michael, change your attitude. Okay, children. Okay, Akash, can you mute ma? Akash. Okay, very good, Meenaja. You have to, very good. Everyone has showed that one. You are giving your very good answers. That means you can improve your, which one? Very good attitude, talent, everything you have to improve. Very good, very good, very good, that one. Really, it is happy to see your answers through your chat box. Okay, children. Listen. Akash, I asked you to multiply. Akash, can you please mute? Very good, Janvi. Very good. Very good. Okay, now, children, listen. So from next class onwards, you have to start recitate the tables from 1 to 12. Again, we can go for the up to 20. So you have to go through that one, get ready. So as soon as you entered, I will call you. Randomly, I'll call you. You have to give your answers there. You have to recitate the tables. Will you get ready for that one? Okay, very good. We'll see next class. Thank you. Thank you, children. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. Take care.